Our design team is going over the budgeted time to finalize the design. We also know the primary reason for that is the turnaround for feedback from the manufacturing team that is tied up with their own projects. What if we can reduce the amount of back and forth between the two teams? In the next few minutes, I will show you how we can reduce design time by simulating the injection molding process concurrently as we design to create better plastic parts faster. Here's the plastic cover that we've been designing for a few weeks now. We've gone through a few design iterations, but we are not 100% sure this part is compliant with injection molding standards. Using SOLIDWORKS plastics, we can now be more confident in our design as we are able to calculate and accurately solve an injection molding simulation to see exactly how the plastic part will take shape and identify any flaws in our designs. As we take a closer look here, we can quickly identify a race tracking issue. One way to slow down the flow is to make the walls thinner. A design variation with thinner walls was already created beforehand, and we can easily toggle through the different designs using the configuration tool. Once the new design is selected, just rerun the simulation to view the new results. Seems like the walls were too thin in this iteration and we have caused a short defect. A medium wall thickness is probably the best way to go for this model. This is a prime example of how a design problem can be solved within a few minutes versus a few days if we had sent it off to the manufacturing team. After solving the filling issues, we can then make further design alterations by viewing the final set of results from SOLIDWORKS plastic that captures manufacturing defects. Here, we are able to check the boxes to view air traps and weld lines. Seems like this model has quite a few weld lines in the rib areas. How should we go about fixing this? Perhaps adjusting the gate location? Yes, that's right. Using SOLIDWORKS plastics, we can try out different gate locations to find one that is optimum for the part and relay that info back to the manufacturing team. Here you can see a side-by-side comparison of the same part filling from different locations. These are the types of information that would directly help you reduce additional mold work, hence reduce the entire project cost. Speaking of the manufacturing team, SOLIDWORKS Plastics also comes with an array of advanced tools that allows users to set up detailed injection molding parameters such as multi-cavity, runner balancing, cooling lines, and predicted warp. By integrating this solution with both teams, SOLIDWORKS Plastics can be used as a communication platform where design changes can be easily accounted by both teams. Mold filling, gate location, weld lines, and so much more. Imagine all this information now in the palm of your hands, giving your engineers an opportunity to think outside the box and come up with new innovative designs. This equates to fewer design hours and faster time to market when it comes to your final product. In parallel with the design phase, a part strength analysis can also be done using the nonlinear module in SOLIDWORKS simulation. Take a few minutes and think about the cost of another delayed project. Not so good, right? Ready to have your engineers give SOLIDWORKS Plastics a try? Give your reseller a call as soon as possible to request a trial.